Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn two simple methods to get a free virtual card online. We will go through each method step by step. So even if you are a beginner, you can easily follow along. For the first method, open your preferred web browser and search for free virtual cards. After searching, you will see many websites that offer free virtual cards. Open one of the websites from the search results. On the website, you will find different types of virtual credit cards. Create a new account to get started. After signing up, continue to the dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, the first thing you need to do is verify your account. If your account shows not verified, complete the verification process before requesting a virtual card. After your account is verified, choose the virtual card that best matches your needs. For example, you can select a card for online purchases or one that is suitable for advertising payments. Fill in the required details and you will receive your virtual card. For the second method, open a new browser tab and search for Dashboard Free VCC. Open the website from the search results and register for a new account. After completing the registration, log in to your account. You will see a dashboard that displays your transactions, account balance, and virtual cards. From there, you can manage your card and use it for supported online payments. By following either of these methods, you can quickly get a free virtual card online in just a few simple steps. Your virtual card should now be ready to use if you completed all the required steps successfully. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below.